Almost there. Just a little further. I got it. One more. Got it. Hold fast. Almost there. Keep tension. Secure it. Done. Hold fast. Almost done. Secure it.
The perimeter is set. We need to hammer the stakes here.
Hold it steady, Rocco. Just a little further. Right where I needed it. Keep moving. No rest. This has to be perfect. Almost there. You get this tight. Just one more. Solid. Okay, got it. Slow and steady. What? Woof. Good dog. You did great. Right. This is it. Just a little more. Time to get things up there. Catch this. Woof. Woof. Got it. Almost there. Careful now. I got this.
Be careful up there, Laura.
Don't worry, Rocco. I got this. Almost there. Keep it steady. Woof. Just a little higher. Done. Almost there. Keep pulling. Hold fast, Laura. It's moving. Stay there. To the left. That notch. Now. Line it up. Precise. Locked. Finally. It's done. The structure's true. Rocco, catch it. Fast. Almost there. Just a little more. Hold. Got it. Got it. Secure the top point. Move, Laura. Incoming. Get down here now. Hold fast. Get everything. Almost there. It's holding. Stable enough. Time to build. Good boy, Rocco. Come on, you got it. Just a little further. Almost there. Good boy. Almost there. Oh. Got it. All right, Rocco, get the other side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lock it. Steady. Hold it. Okay, now down. Just a little more. Perfect. Good boy, Rocco. Set it. Oof.
The roof. We must finish the roof. There isn't much time.
Steady. Almost there. Push it in. All right, Rocco. You're after. Got it. Thank you, boy. Keep your distance, Rocco. Stand back.
The strike hits with even more force. The sound echoes through the twilight.
Keep it steady. This one has to hold. Just like we practiced. Almost there. Thanks, Rocco. I won't run out now. Woof. Almost there. Just a little further. Yes. All right, okay, stay loose. Just a little more. Perfect. Stay secure. We're making progress. All right, here we go. Just need a little more leverage. Pull. Hold. Steady. Got it. Now, up. Almost lost it. Good dog, Rocco. We did it. I won't let you fall apart. Stay. There. Locked in. Time's running out. Faster. Faster. I won't stop. Almost there. Just a little more. Woof. We did it. Good job, boy. Hold fast. I can't let it fall. Just a little further. Finally. Almost there. Just a little tighter. It's finally done. I built this. Here, drink. Thank you, Rocco. You did good, boy. Let's finish this. Good boy, Rocco. It's solid. It'll hold. Woof. I get through this. Just more. There. I'll cut this out now. No, careful with it. It needs to go. Don't risk it. Almost there. Ugh. Just a little more. Almost there. Moving this dirt is tough work. Woo. But we're getting it done. God, I need a break. All right, time to get started. All right, this should hold. That's good. Let's move it. All right, let's do this. Ugh, just a little further. Hard to move it. Just keep pulling. We're almost there. All right, time to move this. Be careful, Laura. It's heavy. God, that's smart, right? God, it's not. Finally. That's better. I can feel your eyes on me. I am. They're getting closer. All right, keep moving. You have to secure this. Just a little further. You're doing great. I almost had it. All right, don't drop it. Focus. Almost there. Keep going. Okay, here goes. Oh, heavy one. Oh, another one down. Done for the day. Boarding surprises. Almost there. Got it. Finally. All right, clear this way. There, good enough. Almost there. Almost there. Keep going. Finally. Ooh, worth it. Worth it. God, just a little more. Come on. Almost there. Let's break through. Almost there. Heavy. Just right. Mine's heavy. Just need to move it into place. It's been here a long time. There's something in the markings. I'm ready now. There's nowhere left to run. I saw something move back there. Be careful. What did you see? Just a shadow, maybe a deer. Don't let your guard down. Almost there. Just a little higher. Just a little higher. Come on. Just a little more. There. Almost there. Just a bit more forward. Got it. Almost there. Just a little more. Finally. Crack. Crack. Exhale. Come on. Just a little more. Got it. Good. Easy hold. Thank you, Rocco. Stay, Rocco. Oof. That's it. Hold it. Hold fast. We got this. Almost there. Push it harder. Secure the joint. Done. Almost there. Just a little more. There. Locked in. Be back, Rocco. Just a little more. Remember, almost there. Stay clear. Come on. Let's finish this. Keep it steady. Good boy. Oh, just need a bit more. There. Hold fast. will not yield.